Tirupathi Balaji Agro Trading Company Ltd produces fibs and packaging with a focus on sustainability. Revenue 44,418.05 lakh to 53,966.08 lakh. Profit 1,365.90 lakh to 3,607.27 lakh. EPS 2.31 to 5.74. IPO aims: repay debt, fund working capital, invest in subsidiaries. Risks: regional dependency, environmental rules, focus on industrial packaging despite name. Mudra Fincorp Ltd, founded in 2013, partners with banks and NBFCs to offer loans, credit cards, and insurance through digital channels. Revenue 2,838.25 lakhs to 7,107.24 lakhs. Profit 46.86 lakhs to 835.52 lakhs. EPS 0.63 to 10.09. IPO aims: repay debt, invest in tech, fund working capital. Risks: reliance on partners, regulatory changes, cybersecurity. Vision Infra Equipment Solutions offers equipment rental, trading, and refurbishment. Revenue 29,457.43 lakhs to 33,274.58 lakhs. Profit 927.88 lakhs to 2,668.89 lakhs. EPS 5.36 to 15.43. IPO aims: expand equipment fleet, fund working capital. Risks: financing issues, demand fluctuations, dependence on government projects. Tolins Tyres Ltd is a leading tire manufacturer, exporting to 40 countries. Revenue 1,133.65 million to 2,272.18 million. Profit 6.40 million to 261.29 million. EPS 0.35 to 9.52. IPO aims: repay loans, fund working capital, invest in subsidiary. Risks: reliance on raw material suppliers, dependence on OEMs, facility disruptions. Kross Ltd is a leading manufacturer of trailer axles, suspension assemblies, and precision parts. Revenue 1,837.69 million to 4,886.28 million. Profit 47.67 million to 309.31 million. EPS 0.88 to 5.72. IPO aims: purchase machinery, repay loans, fund working capital. Risks: reliance on top customers, product concentration, facility disruptions. Bajaj Housing Finance Ltd is an NBFCUL offering a broad mortgage product suite focused on housing loans, lease rental discounting, and developer financing. Revenue 34,817.5 million to 72,023.6 million. Profit 7,096.2 million to 17,312.2 million. EPS 1.5 to 2.6. IPO aims: augment capital for lending, enhance brand visibility. Risks: real estate fluctuations, customer defaults, regulatory changes, borrowings. N Gadgil Jewellers Ltd engages in the wholesale gold and diamond jewelry business, operating under a B2B model. Revenue 555.84 lakhs to 601.81 lakhs. Profit 13.41 lakhs to 17.01 lakhs. EPS 10.15. IPO aims. Fund working capital. General corporate purposes. Risks. Reliance on market trends. Seasonal fluctuations. Dependence on job workers. Shubhshree Biofuels Energy Ltd. Manufactures and supplies biomass fuels, such as pellets and briquettes, offering eco-friendly alternatives to fossil fuels. Revenue 791.82 lakhs to 9,414.60 lakhs. Profit 27.46 lakhs to 329.77 lakhs. EPS 0.72 to 8.60. IPO aims. Fund capital expenditure. Meet working capital needs. General corporate purposes. Risks. Uncertain future profitability. Regional competition. Impact of fossil fuel prices on biomass adoption. Gajanand International Ltd. Manufactures Mech 1 and Shankar 6 cotton, focusing on high-quality production with modern ginning and packing facilities. Revenue 6,173.93 lakhs to 10,865.52 lakhs. Profit 2.85 lakhs to 223.73 lakhs. EPS 0.04 to 2.17. IPO aims. Fund working capital requirements. General corporate purposes. Risks. Seasonal business. Lack of supply agreements. Limited promoter experience. Aditya Ultra Steel Ltd manufactures TMT bars for construction and infrastructure sectors, with 17 years of industry experience. Revenue 51,535.53 lakhs to 58,780.08 lakhs. Profit 488.90 lakhs to 792.34 lakhs. EPS 2.86 to 4.62. IPO aims. Fund capital expenditure. Meet working capital needs. General corporate purposes. Risks. Brand reliance. Financial exposure. From corporate guarantees. Regional concentration in Gujarat. Samadhan Ltd. Provides investment retrieval, wealth protection, and litigation funding services. Revenue 24,171.26 thousands to 98,328.62 thousands. Profit 3,404.28 thousands to 40,476.31 thousands. EPS 0.73 to 4.63. IPO aims. Technology investments, acquisitions, working capital, general corporate expenses, risks, technical issues, reliance on key personnel, dependence on associates. SPP Polymers Ltd. Manufactures HDPE, PP woven fabric and bags, non-woven fabric and bags, and multi-filament yarn. Revenue 6,677.47 lakhs to 9,381.29 lakhs. Profit 28.01 lakhs to 99.40 lakhs. Net worth 1,971.82 lakhs to 2,591.64 lakhs. IPO aims: expand production capacity, meet working capital needs, cover general corporate expenses, risks, raw material price fluctuations, competition, regulatory changes on plastic usage. Trafiscol ITS Technologies Ltd provides traffic safety solutions and industrial services. Revenue 36.75 crore to 66.09 crore. Profit 4.78 crore to 12.09 crore. EPS 6.77. IPO aims: software, debt repayment, working capital, risks, competition, tech adoption, debt impact. Excellent Wires and Packaging Limited produces various types of wires for industries like packaging, engineering, and stationery. Revenue 14.48 crore to 15.41 crore. Profit 0.10 crore to 0.83 crore. EPS 3.32. IPO aims: land and building acquisition, machinery, working capital, risks, competition, market volatility, financial constraints. Innomet Advanced Materials Ltd supplies a range of metal powders and is known for tungsten, heavy alloy components, serves industries like water purification, pharmaceuticals, and automotive. Revenue 27.15 crore to 29.55 crore. Profit 3.22 crore to 2.52 crore. EPS 2.65. IPO aims: working capital, machinery purchase, debt repayment, general corporate purposes, risks, industry competition, financial constraints, market conditions. Envirotech Systems Ltd provides acoustic solutions, including noise control for industries like cement, oil and gas, and power generation. Revenue 18.50 crore to 46.88 crore. Profit 1.06 crore to 11.43 crore. EPS 1.06 to 128.41. IPO aims: fund land and building purchase, working capital, general corporate expenses, risks, market competition, fluctuating demand in industrial sectors, rising costs.